Did you know about the dark side of bees? When consuming large amounts of fermented nectar or fruit juice containing ethanol, some bees can get intoxicated. In this state, bees may lose their sense of direction and often cannot find their way back to the hive. They may even have to lie motionless on the ground for a long time before they can return home. The detrimental effects of intoxication also reduce their efficiency in collecting pollen and nectar. Bees exhibiting signs of intoxication are often denied entry into the hive. The hive even vigorously attacks the drunken ones, or in some cases, this aggression can result in the death of the drunken bee.
Did you know about the dark side of seals? Most seal species have a polygamous reproductive system, where a single male controls and mates with a group of females. Seal mating behavior can be very violent, especially when males try to mate with unwilling or too small females. In the case of the southern elephant seal, mating becomes even worse when the males can weigh over 8,000 pounds, while females are much smaller and weighing between 800 to 2,000 pounds. When a male dominates and mates with a female, its large size can cause injury or even death for the female. Male seals have also been known to mate with penguins or exhibit other violent behaviors towards them.
Did you know about the dark side of rabbits? In the wild, rabbits are often preyed upon by many predators, which makes them highly susceptible to stress. They can become aggressive and may attack other animals, humans. They even harm themselves by chewing on their fur, scratching their skin, or biting their legs. This stress, when experienced by mother rabbits, can lead to the abandonment of their young or even cannibalism. During the mating season, male rabbits become aggressive and may fight fiercely for the right to mate with females. Males can also coerce females and may injure them if mating is not consensual. Where there are not enough opposite-sex partners, rabbits may exhibit same-sex sexual behaviors. Rabbits can transmit diseases to humans, the most common being tularemia, which poses a risk of death in humans.
Did you know that penguins aren't always as innocent as they seem? When the mating season arrives, male penguins compete for mates using force, causing serious injuries and even killing their rivals. When some female penguins do not have eggs, lose their eggs, or their chicks die, they will try to steal the eggs or chicks of other pairs. In some cases, if a chick is too weak or appears unlikely to survive, the parent penguins may immediately abandon it to focus on caring for other chicks. Under harsh conditions, when food is scarce, parent penguins may abandon their chicks to conserve their energy, or they may attack and kill the chicks of other pairs to reduce competition for resources. Particularly in Adelie penguin, it has been observed that entire groups of male penguins engage in homosexual behavior, sexually abuse younger penguins, and even copulate with dead female penguins.
Did you know about the evil, dark sides of dolphins? Firstly, we must mention their horrific mating habits. During mating season, males will group together to chase a single female and attack her until she is exhausted. Then, they will collectively gang rape the victim. Next, dolphins are aggressive and cruel creatures to the extent that they are willing to kill baby dolphins, even if they might be their offspring, by playing a tossing game with the young ones. Their main goal is to make the mothers return to the mating season sooner, as they no longer need to care for their young. Additionally, dolphins are so depraved that they have learned to use drugs by attacking pufferfish to enjoy the tetrodotoxin secreted by pufferfish to fend off predators. In high doses, pufferfish toxins can easily kill dolphins, but if they know how to measure the dosage and use less, it acts as a stimulating